We often think of the natural environment and humans as two distinctly separate things. It becomes clear that this isn't true when we see the impacts we're having on the planet or when nature fights back. At Exo Environmental, we aren't just responding to change, we're helping to lead it. Our team has over 10 years of experience in environmental consultancy and surveying, helping you to achieve your environmental responsibilities. Many projects in coastal and marine environments need relevant licenses or permits to go ahead. We take care of the applications for you, meaning that you can focus on the project's delivery. We also manage other important considerations for your project, such as ecology surveys and biodiversity net gain, ensuring your project aligns with environmental laws and regulations. Our surveying services include water and sediment analysis, bathymetry and peatland surveys. From regenerating native oyster reefs to determining if your land's eligible for peatland restoration grants, our team is here to help. Increasingly, clients are turning to nature-based solutions, sustainable alternatives to hard engineering. These approaches use natural processes to solve human challenges, delivering benefits for both people and ecosystems and restoring habitats. Get in touch with us today to see how Exo Environmental can help your projects.